ka jella meglea had arphuai tarik unaitung kaladon arphuai ngut kibayo thma ya COVID-19 bat khat prangut kibalakon no kadia chas kala pentip banakini ki arphuai ngut kibayo thmai khalai ngut kidei na is khasil susek hakaba khandai ngut kidei ki reupat ba arngut ki pulit CRPF uwei udei usipai BSF but uwei pat udei na ka armed forces nyongut kidei ki reupat ba na Riboy district but uwei pat na West Gentia Hills district ki khat prangut ki bakot pat kidei ki khat sangut na BSF East Khasil District, arngut na West Garo Hills, uway u armed forces na Riboy, but uway pat na East Gentia Hills District. Da kajingi otmai kini ki arphuai ngut ka jilla meglea Haduh bapinmi yakni ka khubor kadon South Park khandai photli ki positive case, South Park khandrutli ki active case, nyaw photli ki recovered case, but sangut ki balaklat no. Nagini ki South Park khandrutli ki active case ka East Khasil District kadon Lais Park samsantli ki active case, hakaba ki Sipai BSF ki don Aspa nrutli ki active case, ki reupai ba ki don nyaw southli ki active case, but ki armed forces ki don khatsantli ka Riboy district kadon Sapu Artli, ka West Gentia Hills iway, ka East Gentia Hills kadon iway, ka West Garo Hills khat Artli, ka South Garo Hills kadon Artli, but ka North Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, but ka Southwest Garo Hills kadon Mari iway i active case.